Hello everyone and welcome to Learn to Mod. My name is Ben and today we are going to be teaching you how to make your very first mod. When you're done, you should have a mod that looks just like this. There we go. Now this mod sends us a message that says Hello World. Now I know what you're thinking. Boy, that sounds super boring. And you're right. However, this mod will hopefully give you the building blocks needed to understand some more complex, cool mods. So let's dive right in, shall we? In this video, you will learn how to make a new mod, what a function is, how to use code to send a message, and how to download and use a mod in Minecraft. Now at this point in time, you should be logged into Learn to Mod as well as a Learn to Mod server. If you have not done that or do not know how to do that, I highly recommend going back and watching our previous video. If you have done that, all you need to do is go on up here and click play and then click mods. Here you will see all the mods that you have made. For you, this is probably empty, and that's okay. It just means that we need to make a mod. The first thing we need to do is give our mod a name. You can type your name right here. You can name your mod whatever you like, but I recommend giving it a descriptive name of some sort that will make it easier to identify later. Don't be like me and name things like new mod and new mod Q, or test mod and test test test, or even cake. They are not usually the best names. I'm going to go ahead and name this mod Hello World. Mods are a little bit picky with names. They do not like punctuations or spaces, so if you want a space in your mod, put a underscore instead. Once you've done that, click Blockly Multiplayer, and that will create the mod. And you should see it pops up on the screen on the right here. To check out your mod, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the mods page. If you want to edit the mod, press Code. This will take you to the coding screen, and this is where the magic happens. So the first thing that we need to do to create any mod is to make a function. Functions are, in short, folders for the computer to keep all of its code straight. Sort of like an instruction book. Functions tell the computer what to do and what order to do it in. Let's make this function called main. You will always need a main function in your mod. This is the first thing that runs when you activate your mod. If you don't have a main function, your computer doesn't know what to do. Now, let's go ahead and put some code in this function. We want the mod to send a message to the player. Let's get that ready. Let's grab a send message block. You'll find it under the Minecraft tab, under Players. And it's the third block down, send message blank to blank. So we're going to grab that and stick that right into the function. Now, before this mod will work, we need to fill in these blanks. The first blank is what message we want to send. We send messages in the form of text. So let's go on down to text and grab a text block right here and stick that into the first hole. Now we can type in whatever message we want. I'm going to write Hello World. Now we need to decide who we want to send the message to. We want the message to come to us, so go ahead and go to Players, and then grab the block that says Me, and stick that in the second hole. And that's it! Let's go ahead and test this out. The first thing we need to do is launch and connect to our server. If you don't know how to do that, once again I would recommend going back and watching our previous video. If you have already done that, great job! Go ahead and click the Mod button at the top of your screen. And that's all there is to it. Now, if you go back to Minecraft, you should see on the bottom left of the screen it says mod loaded and then your mod's name. That means that your mod has been loaded into the game. To activate your mod, go ahead and equip your mod chest by scrolling over to it or pressing 9 on your keyboard. Once your mod chest is equipped, just click to use it. In here, you will see all of the mods that you have put into your server. At the moment, we just have the one that we just created. Go ahead and grab this book and move it down onto your hotbar. Now, just equip the book by scrolling over to it or pressing 1, and then click to use it. And you see, we have sent ourselves a message that says, Hello World. And you can do this as many times as you like. And that's it! You have created your very first mod. Now that you have the basics of modding, we can create some really fun ones. Go ahead and move on to the next video if you want to learn more. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.